In this video, you'll get an overview of how to simplify your Guardium life with the Cross Central Manager Health View. Guardium allows you to view the health of your entire Guardium deployment from one central place. The Cross Central Manager Health View is where you can view the health information of all available central managers, as well as aggregators, collectors, and STAPs in your environment. You can also view and update patches for multiple Guardium central managers and their associated managed units from a central place. We'll look at these capabilities in a little more detail, but first let's see how to enable them. The centralization relies on having a unit type called a Cross Central Manager Health View. The basic steps you would take are to, first, deploy a new aggregator. Second, run a CLI command to change it to the unit type CM Health View. Third, you would register your central managers to it with a Guard API command. Refer to the Guardium documentation for further details on these commands. Now let's look at the centralized health view you get when logged into the Cross CM Health View unit. Here's the deployment health topology. In this example, we see the Cross CM Health View as a central node and two central managers, each with their associated managed units and STAPs. We could also look at the deployment health table. Here, in table form, we see the Cross Central Health View unit, two central managers, and the associated aggregators and collectors. Finally, the STAP and GIM dashboard will also show us the centralized view on the Cross CM Health View unit. Now let's take a look at centralized patch management. Patches can be uploaded and installed across central managers from one central place. The Patch Management UI, administrators and authorized users can do this. This can be done in the Patch Management UI for CMs that are at Guardium version 12.1 or above. CMs on version 11.5 with patch 530 and version 12.0 only have support for the health pages, and registration needs to be done via the Guard API command. Uploading patches to the Cross CM Health View unit is done in the same way as uploading to a CM. Once the patches are uploaded, you can go to the Install Patches page and install them immediately or schedule them. Patches can be installed by filtering units based on the groups created on the registered CMs. CMs can be assigned a role. Users with that role have the privilege to install patches on those CMs. Finally, some things to keep in mind when upgrading a Cross Central Manager's Health View unit to version 12.1. All version 11.5 and version 12.0 CMs continue to appear in the health pages, but not in patch management. For patch management support, all CMs below 12.1 need to be updated to 12.1 and re-registered from the Patch Management UI or using the GRD API commands.